Top 6 terrifying things that have fallen from the sky. 1. Meteorites. Meteorites are fragments of space rocks that survive their journey through Earth's atmosphere and land on the surface. The fear associated with meteorites stems from their potential to cause catastrophic events, such as the famous Tunguska event in 1908, which flattened thousands of trees in Siberia. 2. Acid rain. Acid rain occurs when pollutants like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides mix with water vapor in the atmosphere, resulting in rain with a high level of acidity. This type of rain can cause severe environmental damage, including the destruction of vegetation, contamination of water supplies, and degradation of buildings and infrastructure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more great content. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and feel free to share this video with your friends. See you in the next one. 3. Deadly space debris. Space debris, or space junk, refers to defunct satellites, spent rocket stages, and other fragments from space missions. Though rare, these incidents pose a risk to both people and property, as exemplified by the 1969 fall of the Skylab space station's debris in Australia, which led to significant concern about potential injuries. 4. Animal falls. Occasionally, animals such as frogs, fish, and even spiders have been reported to fall from the sky, usually due to tornadoes or waterspouts lifting them from their habitats. The phenomenon underscores the chaotic power of natural weather events that can transport living beings over considerable distances. Fireballs are intensely bright meteorites that explode in the atmosphere, often creating a spectacle of light and sound. When they explode, they can produce shock waves that cause damage to structures and sometimes even start fires. 6. Toxic chemical rain. In rare cases, industrial accidents or military activities can lead to the release of toxic chemicals into the atmosphere, which can then fall as contaminated rain. This toxic rain can be harmful to humans, animals, and the environment, causing serious health issues and ecological damage.